Ripple XRP to $200 flare officially launched. Ripple XRP price prediction today, 2021. The bad blood between the SEC and Ripple started in December 2020 when the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, claiming that Ripple Labs had violated the securities law by failing to register its native token XRP as a security. The last chairman of the SEC, Jay Clayton, caused the move before he left the office following Joe Biden's victory. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we're going to talk about Ripple's XRP rising to an unbelievable price of $200 with the launch of Flare. There's so much happening recently in the news, so if you're someone who likes to stay updated with the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end to find out. And before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
When Ripple was using XRP as a driver of finance to its core market of seamless cross-border transactions for its financial institutions, the SEC charged, which is something it had been doing for the past 7 years, since 2013. The lawsuit not only caught Ripple Labs by surprise, but added even more chaos to an already convoluted regulatory conversation over whether cryptocurrencies should be regarded as securities, commodities, or something completely different. So, if cryptocurrencies are securities, as it is said by the court president, they must be authorized and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, requiring multiple company disclosures. But the bone of the contention here is that Ripple Labs, under no circumstances, considers XRP a security. Thus, it doesn't demand the SEC's green light. Moreover, it states that the SEC currently allows other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other big names to be traded like commodities, while the blockchain networks of those cryptocurrencies aren't required to register them as security. So why XRP? Now, the SEC claims that Ripple's XRP is different as it was actively used to finance Ripple's business and describes an investment in the company itself. Thus, it is established as a security and not a commodity, which is why it falls under the SEC's regulatory purview under court precedent identified as the Howey test. For all we know, there's no way RippleNet can exist without XRP. The reason behind it is that the network converts currency into XRP, making it easier to get almost instant payouts and reduces the cross-border fees at the same time. So it apparently looks like RippleNet needs XRP just as much as XRP needs RippleNet. In short, this cryptocurrency will continue to increase in price and value even higher thanks to this interdependency. At the same time, as we have said before, the SEC is deliberately dragging the lawsuit, and the only logical explanation that we could come up with is that the government is working to create their own CBDCs. There, we said it. What else could it be? What do you guys think? Besides that, XRP is also somehow connected to Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency through Flare. With the Flare network, investors and users can easily use XRP on the Ethereum platform to trade, which implies that XRP is becoming interconnected with the crypto world as well. Attorney and crypto legal specialist Jeremy Hogan, who has been actively following the case ever since it began and has been sharing his opinion, says that Ripple may have to wait a few months before trying to resolve the lawsuit with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The Securities and Exchange Commission announced last year that it has filed an action against Ripple Labs and two of its executives, Christian Larson and Bradley Garlinghouse, who are also significant security holders, alleging that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered, ongoing digital asset securities offering. In a new video, Jeremy Hogan remarks that the lawsuit's discovery phase does not stop until November 12th, making it difficult for either party to negotiate an agreement if they still don't understand the extent of the other side's case. The problem with a settlement between now and November 12th is that the parties won't understand how important each side's position is until after the discovery phase closes. For those of you who don't know, the discovery phase is a period during a trial where one side collects the facts of the case or data from the other party. So, even if they're looking at a slap on the compensation of millions of dollars, Ripple isn't going to care about the difference between spending $20 million versus $200 million. Well, all businesses care about that, and of course, they are willing to wait an extra couple of months to potentially save millions of dollars. Jeremy Hogan says that the SEC has a lot riding on providing that Ripple has fair notice, or in other words, prior awareness that XRP was deemed a security, and most likely won't be willing to negotiate a settlement until that motion is seen through. Much incentive won't be seen for the SEC to settle until that hearing is heard. In other words, if they can't beat the defense, they just turn around and pay, which would mean getting the case settled. At the end of the day, the truth is that Ripple wishes to get over with this case as soon as possible. With the warning that the markets have to feel satisfied with any settlement and XRP getting relisted, which means that the problem child here is SEC. If the SEC's gambit loses, that's when the case has the best chance at resolving. Otherwise, they are still looking at the Ripple case leading the judge on summary judgment in early 2022. Moving on, we believe Chairman Gensler and the SEC must put out clear guidelines on which cryptocurrencies they observe as securities and which they do not. Senator Pat Toomey, ranking member of the U.S. Senate Banking Committee, recently said, "The lawsuit, which is currently going through the courts, has proved detrimental to Ripple's business, resulting in XRP being delisted from more than 50 exchanges and taking its value. Ripple says that its domestic business has essentially stalled, and it now relies on its overseas market for much of its revenue." Despite the business problems, Ripple is refusing to back down. People close to the company tell Fox Business they have no plans to reach a settlement with the SEC. He further said, "The case will be a huge test for Gary Gensler, President Biden's choice to run the commission. Gensler has vowed to make regulating the nascent cryptocurrency business a top priority during his tenure, and he has been more of an activist in the crypto space than his predecessor, Clayton." Gensler, who appeared before the Senate Banking Committee last week, admitted the SEC is looking to expand its jurisdiction over the crypto industry by possibly seeking more regulatory power from Congress. This could prove to be bad news for Ripple and indeed the future of innovation in the crypto space, which critics say could be stifled if Gensler gets his way. Moving on, back in January, Garlinghouse was questioned why Ripple did not settle with the SEC, to which he replied that he can't get into specifics, but they know they have tried and will proceed with the new administration and try to resolve in a way so the XRP community can innovate while customers are protected and orderly markets are preserved. Ripple and the SEC hopes that the new SEC chairperson, Gary Gensler, who taught crypto at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, would toss out the XRP lawsuit altogether. They assume that there was a conflict of interest with the previous SEC chairperson, Jay Clayton. With the ongoing investigation of the world's second-largest cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, and the firm behind the sixth-largest cryptocurrency, XRP, the XRP Army asks why the SEC is picking winners and losers in the industry. The argument records back to Hinman's speech in 2008 and the SEC proceeding upon Ripple since December 2020. With XRP's largest public holder under investigation by the SEC, institutional investors have not made big moves in altcoins. However, it is rather fascinating to note that the number of active XRP wallet addresses has grown by over 200% in the past 3 months. Retail traders are choosing XRP despite recent delisting across several spot exchanges. This in turn is bullish for XRP in the long term. XRP is currently trading at 1.006 US dollars. So, if you buy XRP for $100 today, you will get a total of 99.413 XRP. And based on the forecast by renowned websites, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for September 30th, 2026 is 3.757 US dollars. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 273.46%. Your current $100 investment may be up to $373.46 in 2026. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. We would like to remind you that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and by the time this video is up, the prices might have changed to a whole different value. Our research is the reflection of our work. Do your own research before investing, and make sure to consult a financial advisor. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. In the comments section, tell us what you think about XRP and the ongoing lawsuit. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.